Attention! This is an emergency alert from the Bermuda Weather Service. A severe hurricane warning is now in effect for the entire island. Hurricane Fabian is directly approaching Bermuda as an extremely dangerous Category 3 storm. Catastrophic gusts exceeding 130 miles per hour, extremely high storm surge, and torrential rainfall are fully expected. All residents must stay in a secure and interior room immediately. Please do not travel or go outdoors at all costs, as debris and extreme winds or floods can put you at extreme risk. Stay tuned for more news on this life-threatening situation, which will be provided on both television and radio. This has been a hurricane emergency alert from the Bermuda Weather Service. End of message.